Hello, and in today's video we'll be finding out if Druid's Ball of Lightning is good now after it doesn't get destroyed whilst touching purple balloons. So yeah, I'll see you in the first game. Alright, so we got here the map Splashdown. Of course I'm using Oban. It's a Druid strategy, you kind of have to use Oban. So Druid sub farm on Splashdown, which I've already said. But yeah, I'll see you in the game. In our first one here, we kind of need to make sure that we don't die. Focus on not dying at the start. Would be good. Oh, hard zones. Save the last. Eco to 282, I believe. Hopefully I won't over-eco. I mean, it doesn't matter too much in the grand scheme of things. It'd just be nice if I didn't. Yeah, I think it is 282. Just to get down a row and one. Urban. Our opponent's using the boat. And they're also using, they brought Benjamin. Did I get that down? How did that was down, come on. Surely you guys saw that was placed down. Oh, this game, rigged. That is definitely not just an excuse. Anyway, Heart of Vengeance, so that we can capitalise off of these leads. Okay, they're going for Hot Shot, that's often not the upgrade you want to go for. I guess it's kind of working for them. So you want to leak down 80 lives, so I want to go down to 60. I also just won't end up rushing too much at the start of the game because we need to make it to the mid game to actually test out the Ball of Lightning.
Rules are made to be broken.
Okay, they got Benjamin. May have been a bit risky there for going for a farm.
Awesome.
I mean, not really yet. Okay, I'll need to go for half thunder soon. Maybe. I'm actually defending really well. Okay, they've gone for a cannon ship. I think I'll upgrade my farm first. They still need to go down to like 68. Okay, I'll get that now. That is not where I wanted it, whoopsies. But it shall be fine. Well, they struggled to black balloons a bit, considering their cannon ship is their main defense. And they did go for another boat, so they should be fine. I'd assume. I can only go for 2 farms here, which is kind of annoying. I'll just get down a tech bot for Odin and Thorns. Might eventually need Druid of Wrath, but not just yet. I can upgrade my farm first. I think I'll just go for that. And also just set you to first. Okay, they've gone for their merchant men. I can't really punish that. We'll go for that there. And set it to strong to help pop down purples if they do send them. Which they haven't done so far. Their hot shots are struggling to pop. Okay, they used Ben's ability. Oh, I forgot I can't kill them. That's kind of sad. Because I need the content. I mean, that probably wouldn't have killed them anyway, to be honest. I'll just go for that now.
Yes.
And then just place on another Druid. Ready in case I need to get on the Ball of Lightning. They're going for another boat. Or I might also need the blue turning reactor if they rush me with purples. Guess I can start looking towards this guy. Bottom path. I'll go for a marketplace soon. When I can. Getting on for a destroyer. Well played. Often you don't want to send greens after round 5. It's not really worth it. I mean, a ton of camo zebras could do something to them, but it's really not worth it to send them because camo greens are just so expensive. Oh, we'll get it towards the end of this round. There we are. Don't know what I'm going to go for first, the ball of lightning or the plutonium reactor. Probably ball of lightning. Yeah, I'd say so. I just realised also with it being there, I'll only be able to get like 1 or 2 pop plus buffs, but pop plus buffs on it. Okay, so they're playing Boat Out Spike Factory, but with Benjamin, which is not the mix you see every day. I was kind of just struggling with purple. Bottom path, as it gives it more PS, I think it is. Okay, I'm Moab. Even though it's like a really big over-defend, I'm just going to sign into the ball of lightning just to show you it's good. As long as it defends it. Yep, the ball of lightning is good now. They just haven't sent a rush of purples. Which is kind of what I wanted. So at least we've shown off the ball of lightning. Go for marketplace. I could send them like a normal BFE. Maybe that could be something. For them.
Awesome.
Because if it was fortified, they just make money off of it, but unfortified, I'm not sure. I'll just try and go for my central market soon. Oh, I forgot to think. Usually I'd never eat it this much. But this time I am. Yeah, ball of lightning is very good now. I mean, I've never really used it, to be honest. I'll just go for a middle path. Sub up there. Just with a normal VFD.
Nice.
They'll probably end up boat pulling it, but then I'll send another. There we are. Because we have shown off the ball of lightning. I think I'll stop at 25, 6, 26, I'm sorry. Just over it.
Feel nature's wrath.
There's the OMG now.
You might want to take a look at this. Awesome.
I think I'll just get a sub ready down there in case I need it. I just want to force them to go for the Pirate Lord. If I need to, I could probably sell into the Superstorm
Cash money. Inside.
if they decide to send me DDTs. They did go for the Pirate Lad. Maybe I could blue boost these.
Executing hack.
Not really. That's a shame. Just go back up to 2500. Now I might just be cooked to DDTs.
Feel nature's wrath. Power, handle it.
Maybe they struggle to some DDTs eventually. When I can. Send them like tight DDTs.
Awesome.
I'm gonna just send them one.
Guys.
Oh, you can both put over that. I did not realise.
Power,
Could have gone for another one. Okay, 2502. Just a little bit too much. I was just like 2,000 short of the Superstorm there. That's so annoying. I mean, I probably could have just gotten a Sub Commander, which probably would have been smarter. But the Ball of Lightning is better now. Ow, my score went down 61. That's kind of annoying. This is kind of mixed with Joy in the Grind, so I kind of... Oh, season reward. But yeah, I kind of want to see where I am. Because I'm definitely out of the top 100 by now. Okay, only top 25%. Thing is, recently I've had to play, like, off-camera offers. Jestin Clownham, who's first, the 4th place player, 10th place, and then just so many different, oh yeah, 5th place, and 3rd place, so I've just been really unlucky. Anyway, I think that one game I think is enough in this video, so yeah, thanks for watching, bye.